today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about earthquakes. Now you know when two sides of an earth rub together and the ground starts like rumbling up and down and everything starts to wobble? That's what an earthquake is. And today I'm going to be showing you an example of how it works. So in this experiment I used this box and I've got this plastic cup with pebbles and a pen to show how the waves will come, and then I've got this slot here for paper to go through so that all the waves, all the lines, all the wobbly ones will arrive onto the paper. The two layers of the box, the up one and the down one, both represent the layers of the earth. Now we'll see what happens when the earth shakes. So there we go. It's wobbling really fast and you've got this big wobbly, sometimes thick, sometimes not line coming here and there. That's the end of it. So you can see there are little gaps here, little ones there. So they're all really wobbly and tense. You see, sometimes it's so dark, sometimes it's quite light. So the earth shakes really in dramatical ways, like these wobbly and straight lines are. So when an earthquake happens and all this dramatic things happens on the earth, that's when buildings, cars rumble, tumble, and sometimes people can die as well. But it's all part of nature, when a new beginning is about to start. Bye guys!